Hi, I'm Shagun.
And I'm Nikita. And if you want to stay on top of the stock market,
Then this is the place to be. If you're a beginner who doesn't know where to start, or a pro who just wants to stay updated, then we've got you covered.
and here we'll break down everything from the basics of stocks to IPOs to trending market news to insights and even memes.
So join us every week for in-depth analysis, real-time market updates, and some fun finance content.
Now hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an update.
Welcome to the INDstocks family.
Let's grow together. See you soon. That's the plan. ये नीचे नहीं देखने पारस. हाँ बॉल ही नहीं पहुंच रही उसके पास.
You're not. Yes, now you can go.
Even me.